Hello, I'm Chris from TechSpert, and today we're going to be having a good hard squint at the fresh new Leia Lume Pad 2 tablet. Now, this smarty pants device allows you to enjoy lots of glasses-free 3D content, from movies to games to follically challenged YouTube knobbers. And you can even create your own 3D videos or chat with your mates in 3 glorious dimensions without bothering to leave your house and actually see them in proper reality. So let's check out some of the Lume Pad 2's best features, and a massive thank you to Leia for sponsoring this video. Cheers! Now, that 12.4-inch screen boasts Leia's 3rd generation 3D tech. It's an IPS panel with a super crisp 2560 by 1600 Quad HD resolution. Those visuals pleasingly crisp, quite bright as well for a 3D screen. And certainly those more vibrant colours are rather poppy as well, despite the fact that it's not OLED tech. And do I have any idea what is actually happening in this video? No. Is it freaking me out? Yeah, pretty bad. Let's just say I'm glad I haven't dropped any acid before watching this video. And it also tops off at 120Hz refresh as well. But of course, the really clever thing about this screen is the fact you've got these dual cameras just above the display. And these can track your peepers in real time, so you can enjoy glasses-free 3D content. And those visuals don't just sink into the display as well, they really pop out of the panel straight at you, so it's very impressive for a glasses-free display. And it's fully customizable as well, so you can scale the 3D depth effect up and down. And you can even turn it off altogether if you want to just enjoy a good bit of 2D action, but frankly, why have you bought a 3D tablet then? And of course, there's no point in having a 3D tablet without lots of great 3D content to enjoy in it, but thankfully the Lume Pad 2 is absolutely stuffed to the armpits with lots of apps that take full advantage of that clever tech. So for instance, you've got Leia Tube, which perhaps unsurprisingly is like YouTube, but for 3D video. And there's loads of random stuff packed into here, lots of cool little animations and travelogues, and bizarre creepy things that'll haunt your dreams forever. And these are certainly worth a pun, that's for sure, but the really clever bit here is that Leia's AI can automatically convert any 2D videos from the likes of YouTube and Twitch into 3D extravaganzas. This is super easy to do, so let's just jump on into YouTube and select a video at random. Ooh, this looks quite good. Then what you want to do is hit the share button, go to more, and you'll spy that one of the options right there is Leia Tube. So just give that a little tappy tap tap, and then after a very brief conversion process, boom, you're enjoying your video in full 3D. So if you happen to be enjoying this very video right now on a Lume Pad 2, you'll be seeing my baldy bonts in full glorious 3 dimensions, like you're actually sat here in front of me. Ooh, I can stroke your face. Ooh, lovely face. It really is rather impressive stuff, and the audio is just as good as well, because you do have full Dolby Atmos support from the stereo speaker setup. Moving on anyway, you've also got the likes of Leia Flix. So if you find yourself growing bored of the weird, disturbing shorts on Leia Tube, you can kick back with a full-length 3D movie on this thing. That is, as long as you live in the States. Here in Blighty, you're out of luck. And I also very much enjoyed using the 3D chat app, which is called Leia Chat. This is basically like Zoom, except you can have endless fun pretending to jab each other in the face with pointy things. I mean, seriously, forget flying cars. This right here, this is the future. Nah. But one of the absolute highlights of the Lume Pad 2 is Leia Dream, a stable diffusion app which allows you to create your own hyper-surreal acid trip simply by typing in a few words. It's weirdly addictive and also pure undiluted nightmare fuel, and I bloody love it. For example, type in the name of my hometown, Sunderland, and you'll get something like this. Not bad, not too far off reality. Just a few more rage and skip fires and it's just like being there. I also tried typing in, who does James Corden love? And perhaps unsurprisingly, the answer is James Corden. Enjoy having this particular image haunt your dreams forevermore. And if you can ever actually tear yourself away from all of this randomness, the Lume Pad 2 also serves up a tasty bit of 3D gaming action. This tablet is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 chipset, and while this platform is getting on a bit, the performance here is certainly smooth enough, even with those eye-popping visuals to contend with. Unfortunately, I seem to suck at games just as much when they're in 3D as when they're in 2D, but again, that depth effect is really impressive stuff, especially considering no glasses. Here on the Lume Pad 2, you can also craft your own 3D models, and in the Leia viewer, you can check out other people's creations. And of course, as this is a 2D recording of these 3D visuals, it's unfortunately impossible to sort of show just how impressive this is, but yeah, these visuals are really popping out. And not only does the Lume Pad 2 sport a 3D camera setup around front, you've also got one around back. So not only can you kick back and enjoy 3D movies on the Lume Pad 2, you can also capture some of your own, complete with a handy guide just up there telling you whether there's too much or too little going on in each frame. And when you share your creations online using a service such as Leia Flix, anyone who's viewing your content on a basic bog standard 2D screen will see it in 2 dimensions. It'll be absolutely fine. While anyone who's checking it out on a proper posho device like the Lume Pad 2 will get that full glorious 3D effect. And you can even turn the Lume Pad 2 into a 3D picture frame if you like, to show off your 3D snaps to anyone who sticks their face into range. And with 128 gigs of storage plus full microSD memory card support, there's plenty of space on this tablet for those treasured memories. Ah, great days. So that right there, in a lovely wee nutshell, is the impressively smarty pants Leia Lume Pad 2 glasses-free 3D tablet. It'd be great to hear what you guys reckon down in the comments below. A massive thanks again to Leia for sponsoring this video. Please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell and all the other YouTube jazz. And have yourselves a bloody wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone. Love you.